Hello and welcome. This is Ajinkya. I'm just going to show you a quick demo of Rust WebAssembly. I'm using YEW framework, which helps me convert Rust code into WebAssembly, which runs on Microsoft Edge. And you can see the assembly code over here. I can add things. So this is the list. I can remove that as well. I've applied a simple CSS from Picnic, and this is a basic CSS. And you can see there is no HTML over here. All the HTML is getting added from Webpack. The JavaScript code, the Rust code is getting compiled into JavaScript during the development mode. And when you compile it, it gets converted into WebAssembly. So this is the entire Rust code. It's available on my GitHub account. And you can see the same thing. It's working fine even on Firefox. And the interesting thing is, if I do any change into the Rust code, it is compiled and visible and live reloaded into your browsers. Okay, I think it worked and it reloaded automatically. Same thing for Firefox. It reloaded automatically. So this is WebAssembly using Rust programming language. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.